Peer-assisted learning is the term used for a group of strategies that involve the active and interactive mediation of learning through other learners who are not professional teachers. There are many types of peer-assisted learning. They are, most commonly, peer tutoring, peer modeling, peer monitoring, and peer assessment. Peer tutoring is the most common example and is the method of peer-assisted learning that is used most often and is beneficial both in the regular classroom as well as with students with learning disabilities. There are some characteristics of peer-assisted learning that are necessary in order for the technique to work. And they are that helpers consciously are assisting others to learn. Helping that is complementary to professional teaching. Helping is structured to ensure gains for all participants, and that help is available on all equal opportunity basis. Peer-assisted learning works for students because students are matched with companions, often called status equals, with the deliberate intent to help others with their learning goals. Peer-assisted learning has shown effectiveness in terms of raising achievement, fostering social and emotional gains, and often also developing transferable interpersonal skills. Peer-assisted learning methods are typically adaptable, durable, and applicable in many different contexts and situations, which makes this technique great for regular and learning disabled classrooms. The implementation of peer-assisted learning is quite simple. The teacher seeks out a student that is in need of help and also a student that has a certain quality about them that would make them reliable assistants. The student that will be assisting would be taught target domains and be given a program evaluation. The teacher should guide the assistant in any effective teaching methods they could provide them with, and also give them examples of various ways to describe a particular subject. Another great benefit of peer-assisted learning is that the student who is receiving the assistance is being given immediate feedback from their helper and is being led in a positive direction. The most widely known method of peer-assisted learning is peer tutoring, and I want to focus on this method in particular because it is shown most effective with students with special needs. Peer tutoring targets skill gains and frequently achieves them. Students with special needs have shown great benefits academically, whether they are the tutors or the tutees. Also, the participants of peer tutoring benefit more if carefully selected, trained, and if progress is continually monitored. Every teacher can implement peer tutoring because it's free. Just like any peer-assisted learning, it should complement professional teaching and should never take over for the teacher, but work hand in hand with her lesson.
Let's say.
Something.
Cuban Missile Crisis.
Cuban Missile Crisis.
Let's say.
Something.
Cuban Missile Crisis.
Cuban Missile Crisis.